Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for parental leave. So all you need to do is open any browser and then type in mygov and then open the first link. Now if you have an account, please sign into your account. If you don't have an account, create an account or scroll down until you see about mygov. You can see rising kids, press on it. Now you can see having a baby option, press on it. Now you can see having a baby, find out about help and support you can get if you are planning, expecting, or you've had a baby. Press on before your baby arrives and then scroll down. You will see tasks to complete before your baby arrives, checklist and everything. And then you can see work and money. Now you can see payments to claim when having a baby. Press on it. Now scroll down. You can see Parental Leave Pay, a payment to help you care for a newborn or newly adopted child. Press on it. And then you can see who can get it, how to get it. If you want to know more information about it, follow those links. Or you can just read it here, who can get it. You can see all the details here and how to get it and everything. You can see sign in to mygov and start a claim. You can claim parental leave pay up to 3 months before your child's birth or adoption. If you don't have a mygov account, follow the steps to create mygov account. After you've created one, you can link services to your account. If you can't claim online, call the family's line on the Service Australia website. Talk to your employer, help in your language and everything. You can see all the informations about that here and follow the links and everything. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.